Hello, I'm Jimmy Lang. This is a tool I created for SEOs to save some time. So, a little bit about this. Every SEO that I know likely uses the organic positions report. Just like every SEO, I know they are beholden to the company they work with and the export limit. I'm neurotic and that's not okay, so to circumvent that limit, what I did was created a tool that takes all those CSVs that you have for a client or a website, combines them and removes and allows you to filter added branded details or segmented quickly. I did this because I was doing repeatable actions across multiple sites, and then this just made it easier. So a little bit about this tool, how it works. So first of all, if you go to my website, jamesrobertlang.com, it's here. Bookmark it so you don't have to go to my resume website every time. But it runs in Streamlit, so again, it's their servers, and there shouldn't be any issues with uptime with it. But if there is, please hit me up by going back to my resume website. How this works. So here's an example of what the organic positions output looks like. So here you can see it's for the website Best Buy. They have a ton of keywords. And this is exported, and it has a 30K export limit. So what I did was I did multiple exports that had positions, or rather traffic descending. So I would go most traffic to least, export this, see it goes up to 116, set a filter for less than 117 traffic, and then go and then get so I have the most traffic keywords. With that thinking, I can figure out instead of 1 to 100 keywords, I can go from ideally most by their algorithm, take it all and export it. So now I have that data. What do? I go here, I will browse and upload the files. Let's go to Job Hunt because that's what I'm doing. No shame in my game. Here's 3 files. I will upload them. Wait until they're uploaded. Should take a second. I've tested this with like 20 files of this size and it worked. Again, if it doesn't work, please just bug me. You're not bugging me. I want to QA it. Segments. It's helpful to look at the site through different segments if you're just looking top down. I have rudimentary code that removes the domain and just has the URL paths, so that way you can group them together, and I'll show what that is later. Maximum position, say you only care about striking distance keywords, say you don't care about 80, you can have a maximum limit. I will just say 100. And then this is branded terms. So I'll do best, they're comma separated, best by, best by. Good use case for AI is putting in your competitors and getting common misspellings of your competitor, maybe even dropping in SEMrush and href imports to show like what is, and then keeping a steady list of branded just for competitors, what have you. So I have all this, I hit enter, now I'm going to execute analysis. It's running. I don't run, but this does. Here we go. Should take a bit. And then here you will see the analysis. So there's different tabs within this. You have the combined output, keyword position. I have the columns that I just have relevant for my use case. And then here you'll see there's a Boolean branded field, whether it's branded or not. These are all branded. So I can download that, or I can go to the full segment analysis. So as I mentioned, it uses homepage trails. It has code to surmise the homepage, but outside of that, it tends to just take in the sub bits. Again, search page, this is a query parameter. It's not getting an accurate view of the entire, but you can shift this away from the home page. It's away from the store subdomain. And that way I can see the top segments quickly top down if I'm looking in. So that's a full segment, a partial if you're just curious of the site outside of the home page, like where do they do well. So you can download it. I will just download all results. I will export it. Here's this, and now you'll see there's 3 different results. The biggest one that I mentioned is actually just what I promised, which is the CSV output. So here you have Best Buy. I mentioned it's Boolean, so that just means true, false for you data science nerds. True, false. So here, like Geek Squad, maybe add that in because it's part of their sub brand. And then here is the segment where you can see the different things. So these are all local pages that all give branded results. If I wanted to, I could filter, figure this out quickly, and get a really quick analysis that would have taken longer without this. Full segment analysis, that's what I mentioned by that segment. It's rudimentary, it's more of a napkin math, like this is nice. I give 3 keyword examples and then 3 matching URL examples. So say something is sticking out, you can analyze it further and see the amount of occurrences. And then partial, say you're doing a lot of files and you just really want to see what's some work I can do for my client, what's a quick win, you get me. This is where it's that, but only some of the most trafficked going down. So yeah, this is my tool. Please let me know if there's any issues. Once I get access to other paid tools again, I would love to add in Ahrefs and go further, but please let me know if this is helpful, and thank you. Go Birds!